If you want to unlink your Afterpay account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are no longer connected. Step 1. Open Facebook settings. Log into your Facebook account and click on the downward arrow in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. Step 2. Navigate to Apps and Websites. In the left-hand menu, find and click on Apps and Websites. This section shows all the apps and services connected to your Facebook account. Step 3. Locate Afterpay. Scroll through the list of connected apps until you find Afterpay. Click on it to view the details of the connection. Step 4. Remove Afterpay. Once you have selected Afterpay, look for the option to remove or unlink the app. Click on Remove and confirm your choice when prompted. Step 5. Check Afterpay settings. To ensure the unlinking was successful, log into your Afterpay account separately. Check the account settings to verify that Facebook is no longer listed as a connected account. By following these steps, you can successfully unlink your Afterpay account from Facebook. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.